Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in the TikTok community, buying TikTok accounts on sites like TikAccount. Is it really the shortcut to TikTok fame, or are there hidden dangers? Let's find out. So, what exactly is TikAccount? It's a marketplace where you can purchase TikTok accounts that boast followers, engagement, and even viral content. You can find accounts with thousands or even millions of followers, all available at a price. It sounds tempting, but what's the catch? With TikTok's algorithm favoring established accounts, the allure of buying one can be strong. Think about it. Bypassing the struggle of building a following from scratch could save you time and effort. But let's be real. Shortcuts often come with a hefty price tag. Here's the deal. Buying accounts can lead to serious consequences. First, many accounts sold on these sites can be inflated or even fake. You might end up with a bunch of bots instead of real fans. This can seriously hurt your credibility and engagement rates. Many accounts have followers that are just bots. This means no real interaction with your content. TikTok has strict policies against buying and selling accounts. If they catch you, your account could be banned permanently. An account full of bots doesn't translate to real engagement. You'll struggle to get likes, shares, and comments, which can hurt your visibility on the platform. Many sellers are not trustworthy. You could easily get scammed, losing your money with nothing to show for it. Some sellers use deceitful tactics to lure in buyers. Look out for fake testimonials, overly polished screenshots showing high engagement, and accounts that seem too good to be true. It's crucial to recognize these red flags before you make a purchase. So what should you do instead of buying an account? Here are some effective strategies for organic growth. Find your niche and post regularly. Consistency helps build your audience over time. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, and create polls. Engagement fosters community and loyalty. Use trending hashtags. Stay updated on trending hashtags and challenges. They can help your content reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other TikTokers can introduce you to new audiences and enhance your content. Buying a TikTok account might seem like a quick fix, but trust me, it can lead to more trouble than it's worth. Focus on building your brand authentically for long-lasting success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever considered buying an account? Let us know. See you next time.